This is 60 business ideas in 60 days. Today, we're talking about starting an arts and crafts business in the UAE. If you enjoy creating handmade products or turning creative skills into income, this is a great space to be in. There is strong demand in the UAE for customized, handmade, and creative products, both online and offline. Under this license, you can create and sell handmade arts and crafts like paintings, pottery, candles, resin art, and decor. Offer customized gifts and personalized artwork. Run craft workshops and training sessions for adults and children. Sell art supplies and creative materials. Sell products online through websites and social media. Operate an art studio for creative services or exhibitions. Now, let's talk about where you should set up. If you plan to sell mostly online, work from home, or export products, Freezones are a great fit. Freezones offer lower setup costs, full ownership, and flexible options like home business approval or flexi desks. They also make it easier to start small, test your products, and scale gradually without high overheads. Many creators use Freezones to run Instagram stores, Etsy-style businesses, or export handmade products internationally. Popular options include Shams, IFZA, Rakez, Dubai Design District, and Dubai Media City. If you want a physical studio, retail space, or run workshops and classes, a mainland setup works best. Mainland licenses let you sell directly to local customers, take part in pop-ups and exhibitions, and host in-person sessions. You can also add an online selling permit if you plan to sell through Instagram or a website. In terms of approvals, you may need Dubai Municipality approval if you sell certain handmade consumer products, civil defense clearance if you run workshops using heat tools, resin, or chemical, an e-commerce permit if you sell online from the mainland, event or exhibition permits for markets, pop-ups, or art fairs, an optional copyright or trademark registration for original artwork or branding. On the compliance side of things, it is mostly product-focused. Your products must be safe and clearly labeled, especially items like candles, soaps, or resin art. If you use chemicals or paints, proper ventilation and safety practices are expected. Online sellers must follow UAE consumer protection rules. VAT registration applies if your revenue crosses the threshold. Opening a business bank account is simple. Arts and crafts businesses are seen as low risk by banks. You'll usually need your trade license, studio, office, or home business approval, shareholder passport, and Emirates ID copies, a clear overview of your products and selling channels, supplier invoices or product samples if requested, payment gateway setup if you sell online. Here's your game plan. Choose where you want to set up, select your activity, apply for your trade license, get approvals, draft and sign your MOA if needed, receive your license, apply for your establishment card, hire employees, open your bank account and complete VAT registration if required. And that's it! You're ready to start your arts and crafts business in the UAE. If this feels like the right move for you, we can help. We've helped more than 25,000 entrepreneurs start businesses in the UAE over the past 10 years. Fill out the form in the description and let's get started.